We're working with the movie Daddy's Home 2 today. And check out this hot cocoa bomb, okay? 3 shots in one. I'm loving it. It's pure awesomeness, and it's based on the film. Check out this clip.
Oh, there's Brad with some makeup cocoa for being such a jerk. Thank you. Brad! Oh, God! What are you doing? Why would you do that? Look what you made me do. I didn't make you do it. I thought you were bringing me hot makeup cocoa and you just like threw it all over yourself. You almost burned me, Brad.
Why wasn't bringing makeup cocoa?
Why not?
I would have said, here, bud, here's some makeup cocoa.
I've been waiting for my makeup cocoa.
I didn't know that.
Okay, so we start with some hot water and we get some cocoa powder. Pour that in, okay? Get a nice little sexy pour. That's what I'm doing. You see that slow motion little stir that up. All right, then we grab 3 shot glasses. We have cinnamon whiskey in one. Okay, AKA Fireball, but let's not say Fireball, let's say cinnamon whiskey. Cake vodka, all right? Come behind it with some Amaretto. The 3 of these go together really nicely. When you add in the hot cocoa, oh my God, it's pure awesomeness. Now we let the hot cocoa cool down, okay? So it's not actually hot. We're not trying to burn her when she does this shot. Pull the plug on 2 of them, 1 drops in, pour in the other 2, and you're good to go. I'm gonna have Jasmine do this shot right now. And there you have it! The Daddy's Home 2 Cocoa Bomb shot! And we got Jasmine here to take this one first. And eat this is a cool scene that you guys just saw. So the coolness of this is each of these represents a different character in the movie, okay? So the hot cocoa, you know, soothing is Will Ferrell's character. We got the Amaretto for Mel Gibson because he's a ladies' man in there. Then you got the Fireball, okay? All y'all live Fireball parties, okay? That is Mark Wahlberg. And then over here with the cake vodka, you have John Lithgow. You see what I'm saying? Because he's like the dad. So you got the dad. This is all good, okay? This is a real creative shot. I love it. All right. Jasmine, you ready?
Always ready.
Okay,
Do
so
this.
you can pull the plug, okay, on these 2, the Fireball and the Amaretto, and let the cake vodka drop in.
Gotcha. Like back and forth?
No, just pull it at the same time. You pull the pin. Boom.
That just went in my face.
Okay, cool. All right. Ready?
Let's see.
Action! Take your time. Don't choke to death, okay? I want you dying on set.
It's not bad.
It tastes good, right? Mm-hmm. This is actually a super, super cool drink, okay?
It really does taste like almost like hot chocolate. You want some?
No. I know what it tastes like. I had to drink a lot of them to get this right.
It's not bad, guys. Oh, I'm supposed to be chugging it, right? Sorry.
Just trying to figure out if the end of the earth, the end of the world will come first.
I can't like chug that fast, okay? I have a little mouth. Remember back in the day, I used to be a lot better at this, but.
Anyway, okay. This Jasmine, she's trouble. Guys, okay, so Daddy's Home 2 comes out on DVD. It's on digital now, so you can go watch it right now on digital, but it comes out on Blu-ray, on Blu-ray on the 20th. Okay, so you guys definitely check out this movie. It was super cool working with you guys at Paramount, you know, promoting this film. It's super awesome, man. So definitely, Daddy's Home 2, check it out. Lots of fun. Shout out to Jasmine for drinking that like a champ, okay? Even though it took her 2 hours, it's all good. It's not when you get there. Yeah, it is when you get there.
We had time. We had a little extra time, so it's okay.
Stay tipsy! Daddy's Home 2. Later!